video. This is actually the knockoff versions of the curl formers. I have a video all about these ones that I bought, and I will link that in the description box as well as on the screen somewhere. But I just wanted to quickly show you how I use them because my hair has grown since I bought these. And so as you can tell, my ends tend to stick out at the bottom of the curl formers. So what I do is I twist the root a bit and then pull my hair through the curl former, and I will show you what I mean. But yes, traditionally when you use curl formers, you just sort of twist the root in terms of just wind it a bit and then pull it through with the hook. But I do 2 strand twists first, just a little bit, and then I pull it through with the hook. So these are the hooks with the curl formers, and to hook the curl former on, all you have to do is get the hook through the end, push it through, and you're done. My hair was freshly washed, it was deep conditioned actually, and then so now I'm moving on to the styling part. And in terms of what I'm using, I am using my DIY leave-in conditioner spray. My hair is still wet from having washed out the deep condition from my hair. But yeah, so I'm just using my spray leave-in. And then I follow that up with some oil just to seal in that moisture. I like to put the curl formers on the hooks and keep it ready. It just makes it easier to put them onto my hair. I just 2 strand twist just the roots basically for a bit. Okay, so I 2 strand twist, then you grab the hook. You want to make sure that you get every single strand of hair in the hook, because otherwise it will snag and you will pull your hair out. So make sure that you have all the hair in there. And then you want to push the curl former up the hook, pinching the end, and hopefully you can pull through the hair. I have every single piece of hair in there. Pinch the end, and then hopefully now if this happens, it doesn't feel right, you need to stop immediately and start over. Okay, because if you don't stop and you try and pull your hair through, you will end up ripping it. So we start again. This is why it took me forever to do this. It's a little easier if you're not 2 strand twisting the hair first. Hair. And presto.
Don't smile.